In our last episode, we ate, drank, and partied our way through Rome as we celebrated my 30th birthday. Reconnecting with old friends and making new ones. But this morning, it's time for us to pack up our things and head out of the city as we ride the fast train from Rome to Florence to begin Region 2 of our ultimate Italian road trip.
Bye.
We left our hotel and jumped on the bus to the Roma Termini train station, and it was packed with morning commuters. Just as the bus was about to pull into the station, we ran into a very expensive problem.
It's 54 euros each?
In 5 days in Italy.
Okay, but we can pay now with you?
Only with card, though, because we must...
With card, that's...
Absolutely.
Okay,
we'll give
just
you the
card.
receipt of payment.
Okay.
That's your copy of the fine, and now make you the payment.
Okay.
Receipt of payment, and your fine is paid, correct?
Okay, kids. This is your 100 euro and... Oh, I'm sorry. 104 euro and 90 cent reminder to validate your bus ticket. So Matteo and I got on, the bus was packed with people, we had our bags, the validation machine was all the way at the front. We were, when you're on a bus, you're trying to hold on, so we couldn't manage to get there through the crowd with our bags. Right before the bus pulled into Roma Termini, literally it was rounding into the bus stop, the police stopped the bus and got on and checked everybody's tickets, and even though we had the tickets, because we just bought them at the Tabacchini, they didn't go into the validation machine, and just because we couldn't get up there, we still had them. We were good moral citizens. We just didn't get a chance to validate them, and now we are 104 euros and 90 cents out of pocket as we get to the train station. So validate your tickets. Oh yeah, and the bus ticket's only €1.50 when you buy it at a Tabacchini. So kind of a rather large discrepancy between the fine and the bus ticket, so just buy them and validate them. Ugh. After taking a minute to accept the fact that this was a completely avoidable incident, we acknowledged that we were in the wrong, but we were determined to not let this morning's mishap ruin our excitement of returning to Florence. Since we still had about an hour before our train departed, we rolled our way over to Mercato Centrale and decided to eat away our feelings. On the walk to the food court, we passed through Coin and OVS, which are decently sized clothing and cosmetic stores that have a bunch of name brands. We passed the luggage storage on our left before arriving at the market entrance. In Mercato Centrale, you will find everything from wine bars and cafes to sushi, seafood, meats, sweets, and Italian snacks. They even have vegan and gluten-free options.
Bye-bye from Italy.
Ciao!
Italian guy. The best guy in the world. Maybe.
Ooh, is that a free sample? Thank you. That was very good. This morning we headed straight to the back corner of the market to grab one last trapezzino. Our train leaves in about 20 minutes, but for our last meal in Rome, we had to come back and get more trapezzino. So today we went with a meatball and sauce one, and then the melanzane eggplant one again because it was delicious. We gotta scarf it down and then run to the train. We didn't try the meatball one last time, and I can confirm it's delicious. One big meatball. I'm so full, my eyes were definitely bigger than my stomach this morning. For some reason I was like, easily I could put down 2. I'm about 1.5 in and I am stuffed. So if you're not starving, maybe only go with 1, because I think Matteo's gonna have to finish this one.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. How are you? Hi, you live. Don't worry, be happy.
After making some new friends in the market and scarfing down our food, we had to run to catch our train.
Currently our train is 10 minutes delayed, but if that is the case with your train, be sure to keep an eye on the board, as the platform may change because the trains are coming in and out really fast. So pay attention to the board. It tells you how long you're delayed for. And if you need to figure out all the other little things, check out our how to use a train in Italy video. And the train station is pretty massive, so if you're at the food court, it's all the way on the other side. So give yourself enough time to run back here. I'd say a good 15 minutes at the minimum to get back to your platform and where your train is, because you have to check in with your ticket, and then you have to still find your platform, your train, and your carriage. So keep that in mind. And once you get to your platform and the train is about to arrive, if you look along the platform above you, you can see the different numbers as to which carriage you will be in. So look on your ticket and you'll see a carriage number, find your number above your platform, and that's the carriage that you'll get on. The carriage number is also on the carriage of the train, so you can find it right there on the little board. And don't stress about where to put your luggage. Inside the train, above your seat, you will see a whole luggage storage space. So take your luggage in and put it above you.
Also, when you get on the train, there's luggage storage here, so if you want, you can tuck your bag here or here, and then go to your seat.
Oh, see.
Oh, grazie. When we booked our tickets and chose our seats, we thought the gray squares were the dividers between the seats, but they're actually the tables. So we ended up sitting back to back, separated from each other, until a very nice lady switched seats with Matteo, and then we were able to enjoy the countryside views together. And now to check out the bathroom situation. This bathroom feels like a spaceship, not gonna lie. Love the lighting. So a little tour, massive sink, hand dryer, soap, water, and a little outlet in case you want to shave on the fast train. That's interesting. Got some hand sanitizer here. Toilet's like a standard airplane toilet. You got paper towels right here. And another mirror. Wow, there are a lot of mirrors. You can see yourself in here from literally every angle. The snack car was a few carriages away, so I had to pass through about 5 carriages as I made my way down the train to reach it. The snack car offers everything from warm and cold drinks, sweet and savory snacks, as well as lunch and dinner options. It's also a pretty cool place to just sit and enjoy the view. Approximately an hour and a half after leaving Rome, we pulled in to Santa Maria Novella, the main train station in Florence.
With our arrival here in Florence, we are officially kicking off region number 2.
In our next episodes, our Tuscany series is off to an exciting start with insane back-to-back events. The motorcycle Grand Prix in Mugello, the world's most violent sporting event, Calcio Storico in Florence, and the ancient horse race of the Palio di Siena.